Alright y'all, today for National Griddle Week we are celebrating our greatest Blackstone Adventure from 2022, and mine by far had to be the first official Blackstone Meet-up that we had here in Dallas, Texas. So while we were there, I got to meet all kinds of influencers, including the celebrity chefs that Blackstone has, and we even got to cook with some of them. And I had the opportunity of rooting through their fridge and finding some things and doing my own cook and making my own video. And up until now, I have not actually put that video together and put it out for everybody. So today is going to be the premiere of that video to celebrate what I think was my greatest Blackstone adventure. So I hope you enjoy.
Oh my goodness.